Today we will discuss about simple past versus past perfect. Most of the students find it difficult where to use past perfect and where to use past indefinite. I hope if you watch this lecture till end, you will get thorough information about past perfect tense. So first we come to the identity of simple past. Actually, simple past is a single action completed in the past at a definite point of time. Past perfect, past indefinite का मतलब ही होता है कि single action completed in the past at a definite point of time. Suppose if this is the time of initiation, यहाँ से वर्क शुरू हुआ, यहाँ पर वर्क खत्म हो गया, and this is the time of speaking, और ये time of speaking है. Past में action शुरू हुआ, past में खत्म हुआ, not connected to, और single action है. Main thing, single action completed in the past and finished in the past. Now we come to past perfect. Actually, past perfect conveys the sequence of events. That is the most important point here. Past perfect means two actions. Two actions happen in such a way that one precedes the other. एक action दूसरे को follow करता है. So the action which takes place earlier, that is in past perfect, और जो action बाद में होता है वो past perfect or simple past. In simple words, we can say दो action कुछ इस तरह से होते हैं कि एक action पहले होता है और दूसरा action उसके बाद होता है. जो पहले हुआ past perfect, तो बाद में हुआ simple past. That is the basic difference. और यहाँ पर हम simple past क्या कर रहे हैं? Single action completed in the past. And here we have two actions. First action past perfect, second action simple past. So by this example, have a look at this example and everything will be clear to you. When he had finished his work, he was allowed to leave the office. There are two actions, there are two events. First one is he finished his work, next is he left the office. So there are two actions here. The action which took place, which happened earlier, कौन सा action पहले हुआ? He finished his work. वो action पहले हुआ. He left his office. Second action है. So जो action पहले हुआ past perfect. When he had finished his work, he was allowed to leave the office. Now we come to the most important point, that is when not to use past perfect. कब use नहीं करना है, यही पर सबसे ज़्यादा confusion होता है. Blindly, without thinking, we use. In Hindi sense, if we get the idea of चुका था, चुकी थी, we use had had. It is not so. No sequence of events. If there is no sequence of events, अगर sequence of events नहीं है, तो past perfect use नहीं करना है. Single action के लिए past perfect avoid करना है. Look at this example. She had cleaned the door, or she cleaned the door. If in this sentence you say she had cleaned the door, it means no sequence of events are given here. We have no idea at all what happened earlier. उसके दरवाजे साफ करने से पहले क्या हुआ कोई आइडिया नहीं है. जब आइडिया ही नहीं है, past perfect makes no sense here. We cannot use past perfect here. It is better to use past indefinite. She cleaned the door. So this is the right sentence. Sometimes it seems कि हमने single action में भी past perfect use किया है, but it is not so. The context is clear. उससे पहले का जो वर्क है वो क्लियर होगा. Look at this sentence. He had taken his dinner by that time. So one thing is clear here. He had taken his dinner. It means by that time, by that action, whatever action happened after that, उससे पहले वो dinner कर चुका था. He had taken his dinner when he reached there. He had taken his dinner when he received the phone call. So it means the sequence of event is given. Sometimes it is understood and sometimes it is given. So now move ahead. Let's look at some other examples. So have a look at these examples, and these examples will make everything clear to you. The first one, my father blank space to market to buy some vegetables. And now the question comes, the problem comes, what to use, had gone or went? क्या use करना है? So look at the sentence. My father to market to buy some vegetables. No sequence of event. Only a single action. Single action is there. So what to use? Went. My father went to market. We will not use here. My father had gone to market to buy some vegetables. किया होता, that would have been a different case. But here only single action completed in the past. That's why when will be used here. Next, the train. Blank space, the station before he reached there. Had left or left? What to use? The things are very much clear here. Two actions are given. The train had left the station before he reached there. Now you have to pinpoint only on this aspect. Which action took place here? If there are two actions in the past, कौन सा एक्शन पहले हुआ? जो एक्शन पहले हुआ पास्ट परफेक्ट, जो एक्शन बाद में हुआ सिंपल पास्ट. The train had left the station. This is the right one. Past perfect. Before he reached there. Already given. Now come to this sentence. What blank space today? What had you done today, or what did you do today? This is the single action in the past. What did you do? What did you do today? There is no problem at all. So I think now you must have understood. If there are two actions in the past and happen in such a way that one follows the other, we use past perfect. अगर single action है, past perfect. They blank space the test. When he told them there wasn't any time left. तो टेस्ट में बैठे हुए थे, टेस्ट शुरू भी नहीं कर पाए, उन्हें कहा गया the time was over. There wasn't any time left. अब वो शुरू भी नहीं कर पाए थे, दो एक्शंस हो गए, एक तो ये उनको इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई, दूसरा काम शुरू भी नहीं कर पाए थे. They hadn't even started. Right? They hadn't even started the test when he told them there wasn't any time left. Now look at this one. This one is conditional sentence type 3. I have already prepared one lecture on conditional sentence. You can watch that lecture and you will get thorough information about conditional sentences. So if the villagers, this is conditional sentence type 3. ये type 3 है, where possibility is 0 and we use past perfect in this one. So if the villagers had not reached there, his life couldn't have been saved. ये supposition case होता है. अगर villagers नहीं पहुंचते तो उसकी लाइफ नहीं बचाई जा सकती थी. It means अब उसकी लाइफ बच गई है. The work has already been completed and we are talking about that later. So in that supposition case type 3 we use past perfect. उसमें भी past perfect use करते हैं. So now we move ahead. Now we come to the next point. That is use of simple past plus simple past and past perfect plus simple past. So sometimes we can also combine two past actions by using two simple past tenses. जरूरी नहीं है कि हर बार आप past perfect plus simple past यूज करें. Sometimes we use two simple past tenses. In case when the second action followed the first immediately. लेकिन condition क्या है? This is the condition. The second action followed the first immediately. दोनों actions के बीच में there is no time gap. Second action followed the first immediately. तुरंत उसके बाद हुआ है. While in case of past perfect plus simple past, the first action was completed before the second started. There is a time. So there is the basic difference कि हम simple past plus simple past use कर सकते हैं और past perfect plus simple past use कर सकते हैं. Implications are different. The implications are different in this case that if we are going to use simple past plus simple past, it means the second action followed the first immediately. Second action जो है वो first को तुरंत follow करता है. There is no time gap. और यहाँ पर the past perfect plus simple past है, there is a time gap. So have a look at the examples and everything will be clear to you. When he opened the gate, the bird flew out. Look at the two actions. The first action is he opened the gate. Next action is the bird flew out. Do you find any time gap? No. Second action followed the first immediately. इसके तुरंत बाद हुआ है. He opened the gate, the cat went out. It means the second action followed the first immediately. उसके तुरंत बाद हुआ है. अगर तुरंत बाद हुआ है तो simple past plus simple past. Look at another example. When the play ended, the audience went home. It means no time gap. Play ended, audience went home. ऐसा थोड़ी है कि play खत्म हुआ उसके बाद वहां रुके. Simple past plus simple past. Next example, she heard voices and realized that there were 3 persons in the room. उसने कुछ आवाजें सुनी and she realized कि रूम में 3 persons हैं. It means realize करने में टाइम थोड़ी लगा होगा. Immediately she realized there is no time gap. कोई time gap नहीं है. Have a look at these sentences. He had stayed in his father's farm till he died. Had stayed. Two actions. जो action पहले हुआ past. इसमें आप ये नहीं कह सकते पहले तो हुआ लेकिन दूसरा एक्शन जो है उसको तुरंत फॉलो कर रहा है, इमीडिएट फॉलो कर रहा है। हियर देयर इज अ टाइम गैप. He had stayed in his father's farm till he died. He had taken his dinner when John called him. It means there is a time gap. There are two actions in such a way that one precedes the other. The action which took place earlier, पहले action कौन सा हुआ? He had taken his dinner. After that, John called him. दो actions है. And here sometimes we use simple past plus simple past just only to show it the implication. Implication is the second action followed the first immediately. There is no time here. Have a look at this sentence. He hadn't thought of going to England before he suggested it. जब तक उसने suggest नहीं किया था उसने सोचा भी नहीं था. Hadn't thought. So now I will give you some 2 or 3 more examples to make it more clear. So now we come to some more examples of simple past plus simple past and past perfect plus simple past. And these examples I have taken the same sentence in both the conditions to make it very much clear to you. When to use simple past plus simple past and past perfect plus simple past. पहले तो मैंने आपको डिफरेंस बता दिया. सिंपल पास्ट सिंगल एक्शन कंप्लीटेड इन द पास्ट. पास्ट परफेक्ट मींस देयर आर टू एक्शंस happened in such a way one precedes the other, and the action which took place earlier, that is past perfect, and another one is past perfect. Now sometimes we use, अभी मैंने अभी तुरंत आपको बताया है, sometimes we use simple past plus simple past, but the condition is the second action followed the first immediately. We use simple past. So have a look at this sentence. When he had seen all the pictures, he decided to leave the office. It means there are two actions, लेकिन दोनों actions में क्या है? Time gap है. This action took place earlier when he had seen all the pictures. When he had finished looking at them, then he decided to leave the office. So it is past perfect plus simple past. And now look at the same sentence. And it is being used in simple past plus simple past. When he saw all the pictures, he expressed amazement. When he saw all the pictures, expressed amazement. That is immediate reaction. जैसे pictures को उसने देखा होगा, he gave this action. So simple past plus simple past. Simple past and simple past कब use करेंगे? The second action followed the first immediately without time gap. Now look at this sentence. The music started and the curtains opened. It means one action followed the other. Same sentence को अगर हम कहेंगे the music had started when the curtains opened. Implications अलग हो जाएंगे, meaning change हो जाएगा. यहाँ पर कहने का मतलब है the music started when the curtains opened. It means the second action followed the first immediately. ये तो सिर्फ उसी केस में है जब सेकंड एक्शन जो है उसको इमीडिएटली फॉलो करेगा, तुरंत फॉलो करेगा, कोई टाइम गैप नहीं होगा. The music had started, it means म्यूजिक स्टार्ट हो गया था. After then the curtains opened. इस केस में क्या है? म्यूजिक स्टार्ट होते ही कर्टेन्स ओपन होना शुरू हुआ. So that is the basic difference. I hope you must have understood it well, and if you find any problem in past perfect, you can write in the comment box. Hope you like this video, and if you like this lecture, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you. Happy learning.